Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to create a waterfall chart. A waterfall chart is a graphical representation of a set of values over time or categories, showing the cumulative effect of positive and negative values. It is often used to illustrate the changes in financial statements such as income statement or cash flow statements. Here are the steps to create a waterfall chart in Microsoft Excel. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up Excel. And as you can see here, I have already ready data for the tutorial. Now, it should have at least two columns. One for the categories and other for the value. But I have here, you can take a look here, the data. Should contain the starting point of each data point, and the values column should contain the changes that occur at each category. Select the data range that you just created, including category and the value columns. Now, click Insert. And then you can see here the recommended chart. You can press here the All Charts and press Waterfall. So your chart should appear in the worksheet. You may need to adjust the chart size and the location. You can also add more formatting options to your chart, and then just click here on the chart design. And you can change the label. You can customize the chart by changing its colors. You can also add labels and adjusting its layout. Now, if you're done with it, just save the file and just click at Save As. So there are also many online tools and software available to create waterfall charts, which can automate much more process and provide additional customization options. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!